If you want real color, real impact, the kind that stops people in front of your house and makes your neighbors ask what you planted, you need shrubs. Not annuals you'll replace every year, not perennials that take a season to fill in. In this video, we're covering 7 of the best flowering shrubs you can plant right now for instant spring color. These are reliable, widely available, and built to perform year after year.
Heads up, if you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. Lilac Bloomerang Purple. If you've ever walked past a lilac in full bloom and stopped dead in your tracks, you already know what this plant is capable of. Bloomerang Purple takes everything people love about traditional lilacs and makes it better. The flowers are the same rich violet purple, deeply fragrant and clustered in those iconic plumes. But unlike old-fashioned lilacs that bloom once and disappear, Bloomerang does something remarkable. It blooms again in late summer and fall. You get the full spring show, and then it comes back for an encore while everything else is winding down. It stays compact, typically 4 to 5 feet tall, which makes it perfect for smaller yards, foundation plantings, or anywhere you want fragrance and color without a massive footprint. Plant it in full sun, give it decent drainage, and it will reward you more every single year. This is a shrub that earns its place permanently. Number 2. Forsythia Sunrise. Before a single leaf appears on the trees, Forsythia is already putting on a show, and Sunrise does it better than almost any other variety. The branches absolutely explode with bright golden yellow flowers in early spring, often while snow is still a possibility. It's one of the boldest, most unambiguous signals that winter is over. And in a spring garden, that kind of visual energy is genuinely exciting. Sunrise is a more compact form than old-fashioned Forsythia, which means it stays manageable and doesn't overtake the space around it. Use it as a standalone specimen where the early color can be appreciated, or as a backdrop to spring bulbs. The yellow pairs beautifully with tulips and daffodils planted in front. Full sun, minimal care, and virtually no pest or disease pressure. This is one of the easiest wins in spring gardening. Number 3. Weigela Wine and Roses. Most flowering shrubs give you the blooms or the foliage. Wine and Roses gives you both, and the combination is genuinely striking. The leaves are a deep, glossy burgundy purple that holds its color through the entire growing season. Against that dark backdrop, the hot pink tubular flowers that appear in spring look almost electric. The contrast between the deep foliage and the bright blooms is the kind of thing that makes a garden look professionally designed. Hummingbirds find it irresistible. Wine and Roses grows to about 4 to 5 feet and works beautifully as a focal point shrub, in mixed borders or massed together for a bold hedge effect. Even after the flowers fade, the foliage stays decorative all season long. This is a shrub that earns its space 12 months a year, not just for a few weeks in spring. Number 4. Spirea Gold Flame. Gold Flame Spirea is proof that you don't need flowers to make a shrub visually interesting, though it has those too. The foliage opens in spring as a warm orange gold, transitions to chartreuse through summer, and turns fiery red and orange again in fall. It's essentially 3 seasons of color in one compact plant. And in late spring, flat clusters of rosy pink flowers appear above all of that colorful foliage, adding another layer of interest at the best possible time. It stays small, usually 2 to 3 feet, which makes it incredibly versatile. Use it at the front of borders, as edging along pathways, or massed together in groups of 3 for maximum impact. Full sun, good drainage, and almost no maintenance required. This is a workhorse plant that looks like it's trying much harder than it actually is. Number 5. Azalea Encore Autumn Fire. Azaleas have been a spring garden staple for generations, and Encore Autumn Fire is the version that finally solved their biggest limitation. Traditional azaleas bloom once in spring and that's it. Encore Autumn Fire blooms in spring, takes a brief pause, and then blooms again in late summer and fall, delivering vibrant red flowers when almost nothing else is still performing. The color is rich and saturated, somewhere between coral and true red, and it holds beautifully against the deep green foliage. It prefers part shade to dappled light, morning sun with afternoon shade is ideal, and likes consistently moist, well-drained, acidic soil. Plant it under the edge of a tree canopy, along a shaded foundation, or in a woodland-style border. Once established, it's a long-lived, reliable performer that redefines what you can expect from a spring-blooming shrub. Number 6. Viburnum Snowball. There is nothing subtle about Viburnum Snowball in bloom, and that's exactly the point. In mid-spring, this shrub produces enormous, perfectly round clusters of white flowers that really do look like snowballs hanging from the branches. Each bloom cluster can reach 4 to 5 inches across, and when the shrub is fully covered, the effect is dramatic and unforgettable. It's a true statement plant, the kind that becomes a talking point in any garden. It grows 6 to 8 feet tall and wide, so give it space to become the specimen it wants to be. Full sun to part shade, average soil, minimal maintenance. Use it as a backdrop shrub, a privacy screen, or a standalone focal point where its spring performance can be fully appreciated. After the flowers fade, the attractive foliage and occasional fruit keep it interesting into fall. Number 7. Deutzia Yuki Cherry Blossom. Deutzia is one of the most underrated spring-blooming shrubs in American gardens, and Yuki cherry blossom is the variety that deserves to change that. In spring, this compact little shrub disappears entirely under a cloud of soft pink flowers. The blooms are small and delicate, but they're produced in such overwhelming quantity that the effect is lush and full, almost like a miniature cherry blossom tree at ground level. The name is completely accurate, and the display lasts for weeks. Yuki cherry blossom stays very compact, usually around 2 feet tall and 3 feet wide, making it perfect for small spaces, container planting, or a front of a mixed border. It's tough, adaptable, and virtually problem-free. If you're looking for a spring bloomer that punches above its weight while staying perfectly in scale, this is the one most gardeners haven't discovered yet, but should. Those are 7 shrubs that will bring instant color to your garden this spring and keep delivering season after season. If this video helped you, subscribe. We put out new plant content every week. And if you're figuring out what to plant alongside these shrubs, check out the video linked right here. We'll see you in the next one.